Not bad for your first game.
Hi, I'm Vic. And I'm Paul. Got a junk car you can't fix, can't register, can't smog? Then pick up the phone and call 1-866-966-8176.
Hello. Hey. Hi.
Oh.
Love you.
Oh, whatever. Never.
I don't know what.